Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Ice Cream. Now, if you're not familiar, Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription. She has two options available. The bag is $12.50, and you get three to five items, and the box is $25, and you get 5 to 7 full-size items. And in each bag and in each box is a palette each month. So let's go ahead and see what she sent me for March 2022. So as we open it, we have these biodegradable peanuts. They're like potato starch, I think. And you get them wet and they disintegrate. You have a card that tells you everything about the products and how much they are. So let's go ahead and take a peek in here. Okay, peanuts everywhere. So the first thing I am pulling out is by Earth Harbor. It is Marina. It is the Biome Brightening Ampule. Dive into glowing skin. Look how beautiful that is. I love the jewel tones they have for their products. Okay, let's read about this. Marina Biome Brightening Ampule is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses, spirulina and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even radiant complexion. An overachiever, she works at a deep level, optimizing skin's delicate microbiome to quickly and noticeably improve overall skin. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Use another treatment and or moisturizer. Massage the Marina until absorbed for daily skincare. It is cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's plant-based, no GMOs, fair trade, sustainable, gluten-free, soy-free, small batch made, and woman-owned. So I'm excited about that. And that retails for $40. So that has already paid for my $25 box. What else? We have Hikari Matte Bronzer. Go ahead and take it out of the box right away. Here we go. Look how pretty that is. Hikari doesn't say anything, so let's just go ahead and swatch it. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that looks like that would be a good bronzing color for me. Yeah. Okay, great. Now this is $23. The next thing is by EVO Beauty. It is the Perfect Primer Base, a matte finish. So let's go ahead. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to put it on the rough side of my hand. So here's the white. Now I want you to look at the texture of my hand. And we're going to see if it blurs my hand. It feels like a moisturizer, very light. There we go. And it did. I think it did. Of course, the big test You can see how much rougher my hand is over here. Yeah, so I think it works. Excellent. Did I say how much this is? This is retails for $30. The next thing is by Crown. It is the Chubby Eye Pencil in color Beanstalk. This retails for $10. It is green. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I'll probably put it in a giveaway. Just not too crazy about it, you know. I mean, I use green eyeshadow. I'll put green eyeshadow on, but I don't know, stuff like this I just don't use. So I will probably put this in a future giveaway. I'll leave it sealed so that time stands still. And again, with every box, you get a palette. Now, this palette is Le Splash Golden Gatsby palette, and it retails for $34. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that with the Art Deco. I love it. Look at that mirror. Look how pretty that is. And then here are the colors. They are swatched already because I did film this already, but my microphone was off, so I don't know what was up with that. So when I went to edit, I didn't hear anything. So I have to do it again. So I'm going to swatch them again for you. I love them. That's going in one time. So now let's do the they seem glittery, don't they? Yeah. See how there's kind of like chunks? Let's see if I can rub that in. Oh yeah, you can rub it in easily. And it actually, it blends out nicely. See, I kind of blended it out right here. Yeah, so those will definitely work. I think the colors are beautiful. I will definitely be using that. I will even be using the green. So, for $25, we got the palette, bronzer, ampule, primer, and that crayon. And it all came out to $100, $137, all for $25. I mean, you just really can't beat that. I've been happy with every box I've gotten so far. Every once in a while you get something like that crayon, and that's just personal preference. Somebody else might love that. So mystery boxes, you know, that's the thing about these boxes, is they really are a mystery. It's a lot of fun. You get your money's worth completely with this box, and you get more makeup than skincare, and I like that. So yeah, I'm really happy with this box. I am glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.